crikey, mate. We got ourselves a chipmunk in my engine bay. Not good, man. Not good. I'm gonna let it burn. Let's turn on the power. How do we get him out of there? There's more! Dude! Whoa! We got like 100! They're coming out of that road! Oh no, man! Oh no! They need to go! I'm glad we filmed it. What am I even supposed to do? They're so confused. So my truck has been parked under the lean-to for about, I don't know, a week. And I thought I had a chipmunk, but I got like 10 in my engine bay. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna drive it. Hopefully they run away or something. This is insane. Zayden, we got chipmunks in the engine bay, bro.
Right now?
Yep. What should we do? I tried. They still want to be in there.
Oh, one jumped out. I see one on the floor back there. Back up, back up.
There's two.
There's two?
Let's go. Let's get out. We got them out. They ran out. Let's go see. There's one right there. Crikey, mate. Got yourself a chipmunk. A nice little guy. I think he's startled. I think he's never heard of a diesel before. We got two of them. Two of them out of the engine bay. That's two out of the foe. Alvin and the Chipmunks took over my engine bay. Oh, crap. Let's see what we got. Let's get underneath it.
I saw one. Opening the hood.
I feel like I should be wearing gloves. Well, he's either gonna cook or he's gonna jump. I'm gonna go to the hardware store like I was going to, and I'll give you an update once I get to the parking lot. Woohoo! All right, we've drove about 3 miles. Engine's nice and hot. What do you think, Zayden? You think there's still gonna be chipmunks in there? Is that a thumbs up, like there's no chipmunks, or you think there's gonna be chipmunks still in there? Oh no. Almost there, stay tuned. All right, Keith, let's see what we got. See if the 7.3 Powerstroke beats the Chipmunks. Ryan. We started with 5, now we have 2. What, oh what do we do? Oh yes! There you go. Oh, he's big.
He's gonna go hop back up. No, he's going along the curve over there. Find his eye.
Oh look! Look at that one! Look at that one!
That one jumped in the side hard, dude. It went through the holy. He's right there.
All right, we got sad news. 5 chipmunks out of the engine bed. 1 died. 4 roaming around the earth. Rest in peace, little fella. We weren't trying to hurt you, but you can't be in my engine bay.